Hello, my name is Tim Del Cavo, and I am here to talk about the Solar Minute with Tim. We've found that there is so much misunderstanding about the solar industry in Florida that we wanted to create some educational videos to actually give you the facts about solar. As far as the solar industry goes, Florida is second to California. If you took a helicopter ride in California, you would see 9 out of 10 houses have solar already installed in them. In Florida, you take a helicopter ride, you'll see 9 out of 10 houses don't have solar. And I think the number one reason is because of the misunderstanding. So let's talk about a couple of things. First is solar a good investment? Now, this obviously depends on what the term investment means to you. If you're talking about investing in our earth and future generations, absolutely it's a good investment. Most of the energy we get from the power companies comes from fossil fuels, which obviously we know doesn't help our environment. The sun is a free resource. We just have to harness it, and we can do that now with solar energy. The solar industry today is very different than it was 20 or 30 years ago. If you put solar on your residence or your business 30 years ago, you did it to be green. But with the technology and because of COVID and some of the changes from the CARES Act, it's never been a better time to go solar because you can save the environment and save money at the same time. So let's talk more about the investment. Look at it this way. You have a bill in your electricity bill that can never be paid off. A lot of people say, I like to live debt-free, right? I think we all would. Well, when are you going to pay off that debt? Your electricity bill is never going to be paid off. No matter what happens in the world, no matter who's elected as president, no matter if we're in a war or we're not in a war, no matter if your kids are at college or they're at home, you're going to keep your electricity running, right? So it's a bill that can never be paid off, and it always continually goes up. In Florida, we are seeing more and more hurricanes. Well, our utilities have hurricane disaster relief funds, and they have to refill those after a hurricane. Who do you think pays for it? Yes, we do, in our bills. That's why we see increases year after year, sometimes twice a year, in our electricity bill. Imagine if your bill was $200 a month, how much is it going to be 20 years from now? $280? $320? It'll be higher, we know. A solar bill would be $200 and it would never increase. To me, that's a great investment. Eventually, it's paid off and it continually produces electricity.
Visit us today at www.solariaenergysolutions.com or call 1-844-PWR number 4 Life. Thank you.